Hey gamers, welcome back to our another video. Today we're talking about games that never end, the endless thrill of playing without hitting a finish line. These games are perfect for those looking to kill time, improve their skills, or just have some good old-fashioned fun. So let's dive into the top 10 endless games out there. Number 1. Subway Surfers, a classic endless runner that has kept us dodging trains and collecting coins for years. Subway Surfers, dash, jump, and grind your way to glory. Avoid the grumpy inspector and his dog as you speed through colorful subway stations. Collect coins, power-ups, and unlock cool characters while dodging oncoming trains and obstacles. With thrilling challenges, global adventures, and endless excitement, Subway Surfers is the ultimate adrenaline rush. Number 2. Temple Run, another timeless endless runner featuring daring escapes from ancient temples. Temple Run is an adrenaline-pumping endless runner where you play as an intrepid explorer who has stolen a cursed idol from an ancient temple. Now you must frantically swipe your way through treacherous cliffs, dodging obstacles, and collecting coins as you're chased by a menacing monkey. Number 3. Crossy Road, simple yet addictive. This game challenges you to cross a busy road filled with obstacles. Crossy Road is an addictive arcade game where you control a character hopping across endless roads, rivers, and railways. With simple controls and a retro aesthetic, the goal is to cross as far as possible without getting squashed by cars, trains, or drowning. Number 4. Alto's Adventure, a visually stunning endless runner with a relaxing atmosphere and addictive gameplay. Alto's Adventure is a mesmerizing, endless snowboarding odyssey through stunning alpine landscapes. Players gracefully glide down snow-covered mountains, performing breathtaking tricks while avoiding obstacles. Number 5. Jetpack Joyride, soar through the sky with a jetpack, collecting coins and dodging obstacles. Jetpack Joyride is an exhilarating, endless runner where you play as Barry Steakfries, who steals a bullet-powered jetpack and must escape a high-tech laboratory, dodge lasers, zap enemies, and collect coins as you fly through the lab. Number 6. Minecraft. While not strictly endless, the vast world and endless possibilities for creativity make it feel like one. Minecraft is a blocky sandbox game where players explore a procedurally generated world, gathering resources, crafting tools, and building structures. Number 7. Terraria. Similar to Minecraft, Terraria offers endless exploration, building, and combat. Terraria is a 2D sandbox adventure where you dig, fight, explore, and build in a procedurally generated world. Number 8. No Man's Sky. No Man's Sky is a space exploration and survival game featuring a procedurally generated universe of infinite planets, each with its own unique flora, fauna, and challenges. Players assume the role of a space explorer, free to explore, trade, fight, and survive across countless star systems. Number 9. Rocket League. With endless matches and customization options, Rocket League offers endless fun. Rocket League is a high-octane blend of soccer and vehicular mayhem where players control rocket-powered cars to hit a ball into their opponent's goal. Number 10. Counter-Strike. Global Offensive, a competitive FPS with countless maps, game modes, and player skill levels. It is a tactical first-person shooter pitting two teams, terrorists and counter-terrorists, against each other in objective-based rounds. These games offer endless hours of entertainment, and while some might argue that they lack a definitive ending, the constant challenge and progression keep players coming back for more. So, there you have it, our top 10 endless games. Whether you're looking for a quick distraction or a long-term obsession, these games have got you covered. What are your favorite endless games? Let us know in the comments. Would you like to focus on a specific type of endless game or discuss a particular aspect of these games?